Now let's see about the closing rank feature. Just go to the side navigation bar, click inside, then go to closing rank option. Here the list of counselling will be available. Choose whatever counselling you are looking for, and now I am just going with All India Counselling. The closing rank list contains the last allotted rank in the counselling for a particular seat in a specific quota or category. Any candidate below this rank would not have been allotted the seat in the quota or category in the specific round. Usually this is termed as the cutoff rank. So in this closing rank page, we will able to see quota, category, state, institute, course, fee, bed, bond years, bond penalty, stipend year, and 2024 and 2025 round wise closing rank. 2026 round 1 closing ranks will be updated once the results are out. So here two options are there again. One is sort and filter. In the sort option, we can able to sort based on institute name, course, fee, bed, and if you do have any preference according to the closing ranks, okay, you can just click the apply option and it will get reflected in your closing rank page. Now we can go to filter option. In this filter, we can just enter the rank. I am just starting the rank from 8000 and we can just close it around 12, and you can just select the year based on rounds. So in 2024, I am just selecting the round 1, 2 and 3, and 25 I am just selecting round 1, 2 and 3. In this quota option, you can just select whatever quota you are eligible and whatever quota you are preferring. So for sake, I am just selecting AIIMS Open, All India quota, AMU Open, BHE Open quota. And in the category, you can just select whichever category you are eligible for, and now I am just selecting open category. And if you do have any state preference, you can just select the state over here, and you can just go to the institute, and if you do have any institute preference, you can just select the institute option here, and you can just select that institute type if you do have any preference over here. If you have any preference over the bed and the fee, you can just enter the bed count and the fee range over here. And in the course option, you can just select whether you are looking for BDS or MBBS or both BDS and MBBS. And you can just go with view result option. So the results will be reflected over here. In this closing rank page, we can able to see the institutes round wise closing rank for the year 2024 and 2025. For example, we can see AIIMS Madurai. AIIMS Madurai was allotted under the quota AIIMS Open under the open category, and you can able to see the rank over here, which was closed 4531 on 2024 round 1. So near this rank, you can able to see a number inside the bracket which indicates the number of allotment has happened on 2024 on round 1. If you click on this, you can able to see the number of allotment has happened in round 1 at AIIMS Madurai Institute. Likewise, you can able to see the closing ranks for every round for the year 2024 and 2025. Always check the exact year, round, closing rank, quota, course and institute before using a closing rank. Round 1 and round 3 closing ranks can be very different. This is why depending on a single cutoff screenshot can be misleading. In simple words, closing rank is to understand the cutoff trend, allotment is to study actual seat allocation, and using these features you can create a more informed choice list. All the best.